Hello, guys, and welcome back to In the Life of Vans. So this is gonna be a short talk video. I'm gonna tell some stuff and things that has been going on my mind. So last night when I was sleeping, तो मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे कुछ चल रहा था. So the thing is that I was thinking of quitting this YouTube thing and all. मैंने ट्राई किया बट आई डोंट नो, आई जस्ट फेल कि मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट आई माइट बी डूइंग इट रॉन्ग बिकॉज आई माइट बी नॉट द वन फॉर व्लॉगिंग. So I thought let's give it a shot with the dance thing since I have been dancing for almost 14 years. If you know me, then dance is something that has been part of my life. Dance is something that I cannot live without. So be it whether I'm sad or whether I'm happy or angry or anything, if I'm tired, if I'm any situation, dance has been by my side for so long and I cannot imagine myself without it. And being far away from home, जब मैं घर पे होती थी तो आई यूज टू गो डांस क्लास, बट यहाँ पे इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज यहाँ पे दिल्ली में सब दूर है, इतना कुछ में यहाँ पे लाइक कोई ऐसा रेगुलर पॉसिबल भी नहीं है. And with studies it's not very easy. So what I've decided is that I'll come up with a choreograph with me series, and in that I'll be choreographing different songs from the scratch. So I don't know if the choreography is gonna be super great, but we'll be going through the process and hopefully dhire I'll be improving my choreography skills also. This series will be including different choreographies that I will be choreographing from the scratch, and mostly this will be the background of the videos since this is the only spacious place in my PG. And other than that, you guys can suggest me songs that you want choreographies, and I can also come up with videos like that already has choreographies but you want to learn them, that the signature songs you want. And other than that, a quick suggestion I want from you all, that if I will be playing the song from the audio, I copyright can come. So my option is either I increase the speed of that part or sing it on my own. The second option is not very great since I don't have that very good voice. And other than that, I have decided that I'm not gonna do voice vlogs anymore because I'm not much confident in that. And I'm gonna give it a dance a try to see if this thing has a good success or not. Because when I was deciding to quit this YouTube thing, but then I came up with another thought that I should try dance, because dance has been something very consistent in my life. So घर से दूर रह के तब मैं खुद से कर भी नहीं पा रही थी, तो इसी बहाने आई विल बी डांसिंग and I'll be making content and will be sharing it with you all. So be ready for the choreograph with me series and I hope you like it. The comment box is open for any suggestions, and that's it for now. I'll be coming up with new choreograph series. So stay tuned. Till then, take care. Bye bye.